Hi, I'm Nancy Murphy from the Yellow Dot Artist. Today I'm going to do a reveal. It's my mobile art gallery and it's finished. Here it is after I painted it white. We're taking it for a test drive to see how it handles on the road. We use the golf cart to pull it through town. And it's not shaking too much, so I'm pretty happy. I had to do a quick stop to make sure that nothing had fallen off. It's pretty sturdy. We're testing it out downtown. It's at an imbalance, but when you take it off the golf cart, there's a lever that lets you adjust it up and down. So I had the bottom sign installed on both sides and the top sign, so it's a mobile art gallery. I added plastic bands around the entire inside to hold the print steady when the wind blew. It really solved the problem. So stay tuned for the next adventures out in town on the mobile art gallery. Head over to my website and check out more videos.